Yes, okay. So we'll continue with this chapter only. All right. I think till sixth question we have done, no? Yeah, okay. So let's start with seventh one. We'll do a few more questions on this. I hope the font size is okay with you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so first of all, what we'll start with, we'll write the numerical values of these alphabets, right?
Yeah. Each letter increases by one.
Okay, is it increasing by one or two?
Two.
Two, right? Yeah. So this series, the first one, it's what is it going like? 8 plus 2, 10, then 10 plus 2, 12, and then 12 plus 2, 14. Similarly, the second one also, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, and 9 plus 2, 11. And same is with the third one, 10 plus 2 is 12, then 14, and then 16. So plus 2 is being done here. So what will be our next series? If we write in number form, what it will be?
Uh,
So for first one, the first
16.
series is like 8, yeah, it will be 16. Then 11 plus 2, 13, right?
Yeah, and
And
18.
16, yeah, 18. So we can now check that which alphabet is for number 16, then 13, and then 18.
PMR.
Yes, that's correct. So 16 is for P, 13 is for M, and then R is for 18. So our answer will be option number A. That's
Yeah.
correct. Let's see the eighth one now.
Each letter increases by one number.
By one letter. Yes, that's correct. So the next one will be,
5, 24, 16, which is EXP.
yes. So that will be EXP, C1. That's correct. Very good. Okay, let's try the next one. Next one is an easy one. It's just one letter.
Oh,
Yes, correct. This is 25, Y is 25, then W is 23, U is 21. So each letter is decreasing by two
yeah.
numbers, right? Yes. So Q is 17 and minus 2 will be 15. Yeah, that will be O. Correct. Next one. I have to set in the numeric values. 3, then 6, then 11, then 18. Just observe what's the difference.
Each time it increases like by 2, like an additional.
Yes, by 2.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, that's correct. Because firstly, the difference is of three numbers, then it's becoming 5. Then 11 minus 18 minus 11, 7. That's correct. So now it will be now 3, 5, 7. So the difference will be of 9.
9.
Correct? Correct. 18 plus 9 gives us 27, and 27 stands for which alphabet?
1, like A.
Yeah, yeah. So for 26 we have Z. So 27 means after Z it will be A. Correct. Let's see the 11th one. So it's 26, X is 24, U is 21, S is 19, E is 16.
First it decreases by uh, 2,
Yeah,
and then 3, and then 2 and 3 in the pattern.
yes, correct. It's like 2, then 3, then 2, then again 3, right?
Yes,
Yeah, so now next will be, the difference will be of 2, right?
2. Yes,
Correct. So 16 minus, and it is decreasing every time. So it will be the 14th letter that we
yes.
have, which is
N.
N. Correct. Answer will be N. Okay, and see one more thing, we can do it in that way also. Another way, look at the series. So the series is 26, 24, 21, 19, and 16. We can also observe that here, if we see the alternate like numbers, 26 minus 5 is 21, leaving 1. Then 21 minus 5 is 16. Same as with 24. 24 minus 5 is 19. So that means 19 minus 5 will be here. So it will also give us the answer 14. So there might be more than one way of solving a single series. Okay, yeah. Answer will be N only. Let's do the 12th one. So it's 1 and 26, then 25 and 2, then 3 and 24, and then 23 and 4. A little different from the previous ones.
Yeah. Easy.
Okay, let me just see. Very good, that's correct. And what was the logic?
It increases by, like, first letter increases by 1, second letter increases by decreases by one.
Yes, that's correct. And they are in a specific order, right? You know, that
Yes.
one is becoming two, two is becoming three, and three is becoming four. But what is the, sorry, this is not, this one is this. Then two is becoming three, and then three is becoming four. But they are not in that sequence. You know? In the first one, one is the first element of this, you know? And then in the second term, 2 is the second element of the pair, like that it is going. So correct, your answer is EV. That's correct. Very good. Okay, then next one, 13th one. Okay, so just 1 and 8, and 4 and 12. GP will be 7 and 16. JT will be 10 and 20. Let's see. This is the first series, 1, 4, 7, 10. And the, yeah, then the second one, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Can you make out?
Yeah, the first letter increases by 3, the second letter increases by
Then
4.
yes, so in the first series it is plus 3, and in the second one it is plus 4. Very good. So what will be the term here? So that means here it will be 10 plus 3, that is 13, and in the second one it should be 20 plus 4, that is 24. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, so 13 stands for
And
X, yeah, and 24 for,
X.
yes. So answer will be C
And X.
part, M, X.
Yeah.
Correct. Next one, 14th. Getting?
Yeah.
Observe the three series. Yes. See, let's see. 20's first series, 26 is becoming 25, then 24, then 23. So it's evident from this that it is decreasing by 1, right? So 23 will become now 22,
Yeah.
correct? Yeah. In the second series, 19, then where is it? 20, then 21, then 22. That means in this one, it is increasing by 1.
Yeah.
So now 22 will become 23. Yes, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. And then in the third series, 4 is becoming 3, then 3 is becoming 2, and 2 is becoming 1. Now this one it is decreasing by 1,
Yes.
right? Yeah. So decreasing by 1. So it is already 1 here. So if it decrease by 1, that means it becomes 26, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So now you can see what will be the code now. Tell me by looking at these 22, 23 and 26. So 22 is for
V
yes,
and W.
yes, Z, correct. V, W, Z. Which one? Okay, the C part.
C. Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Right? Okay,
Yes.
let's proceed further. This one, yes. 15th. Let's see. The series 26 is becoming 2. Then 2 and 4 and 4 and 6.
Yeah.
An increase of, in the first one, there is an increase of 2, right?
Yes.
Yes. That means now 6 plus 2 we'll have to do, we'll get 8.
Yes.
The first letter we have got 8. Let's look at the second series. 25, then 1, then 3, and then 5. So in this also, it's the
Increase of
same
two.
increase of 2, same increase of 2. So 5 will become plus 2, that is 7.
7. Yes.
Yeah, and then what about the third one? In the third one also, it is clear. 24 is becoming 26, and then 2, and then 4. That means in this also, plus 2 we'll have to do. So 4 plus 2 will be
6.
6. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Correct. So now tell me the answer.
H.
876. Yeah,
H. G. F.
correct. So HGF will be answer number D.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's see the 16th one now. I'll write the numbers. 25, 1, 12, 23, and 16. OET 15, 5 and 20. J is 10. 3, 4.
The first number decreases by 5.
Yes, correct. Minus 5. 25 minus 5, 20. 20 minus 5, 15. 15 minus 5, 10. So the first term of our answer will be 10 minus 5. That will be 5, right?
Oh, yeah,
Correct. And then in the next one, next
it
series.
increases by 2.
Yes, correct. 1 is becoming 3, 3 is becoming 5. So an increase of 2. So that means in this, our second term will be 7 plus 2. That will be 9, correct?
Yeah,
And in the third series also, I guess it's the same.
it increases
12
by 4.
yes. Sorry, not the same. Increases by 4,
4.
right?
Yeah,
So 24 plus 4 gives us 28. So we'll see accordingly what these numbers corresponds to. Tell me.
EIB.
EIB. Very good. That's correct. Very nice. Understood?
Yeah,
Yeah. So these are easy, no? Not that tough.
no.
Yeah. Okay, let's see some questions of this type now. Just try the 17th one. Okay, so see in this, there is no such logic that we have to put, no calculation and all. We just have to see the pattern, which is the most suitable pattern that fits into this series. Okay, how we'll do that? So we'll see at these blanks 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 blanks we have. We can try by putting each of these options. Like for example, first we'll try by putting A option, whether it is forming any pattern or not. Then we can check for B, and then C for D. Whichever pattern will we find the most suitable one, that will be the answer. Okay?
Mm.
Yes. Okay. Chalo, you try first. Then I'll tell you. Let's see if it forms. I'll also check. Getting any answer?
No.
No? Okay. Also, you know we can't actually solve it just by seeing. No, you need to write down also. That will make it easier. Although you can find the answer like that also, but it's always easier to note down the series and then find out that is it forming a pattern or not.
Okay.
Verbally solving it becomes a little difficult. Like there are chances of mistakes. Let's see. Let's try one by one. If we put the first option in our blanks, let me zoom it a little. Yeah. Now I'm trying with the first option. Okay. If we put here B, then A, B, B, and B. This is the first option. So the series goes like A, B, B, A, A, C, B, A, A, D, B, A, A, B, E, A. Okay, so I don't think there is any specific pattern in this, isn't it? Do you find any specific pattern?
No.
I don't
No.
think so. Yeah. Let's try with the second one. A, B. First is B, then A, then B, then B, and then D. In this, A, B, B, A, A, C, B, A, D. In this one also, no specific pattern is being formed.
The last one is C. The last letter
Uh,
is C.
the last,
Zero B. Yeah.
which one, dear? I've taken B1 actually, no? Okay,
Oh,
you
okay.
are yeah. I was going like this, A, B, C, D.
Okay.
So in B1 also I can't see any specific pattern. C1
No.
it's almost the same. It's just C over here, and I don't think this will also make any such difference. A, B, B, A, C. Let's try for the fourth one. These type of questions are a little tricky, we can say. If we try B, A, C, B, A, C, D, and E. It's like A, B, B, A, C, A, A,
Yes.
C, E. Is it?
I see a pattern. Yeah.
E, A, 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 A. Yeah, actually, correct. So, okay, you tell me first, what pattern do you see? And I'll tell my observation.
So, A, like B is between A, and then C is between A, then D is between A, and then E is between A.
That's correct. B, B, C, C. That's correct. So, first is A, then 2 times B, then again A, then 2 times A, then 2 times C, then again 2 times A, 2 times D, then again 2 times A and 2 times E. So this A and this A, the series is starting with an A and ending with an A, and then
Yes.
in the middle also two letters are together always, like B, then C, and then D, and then E. So it also goes in alphabetical order. B, C, D, E, right? So we found
Okay.
a pattern in this one. So answer will be D part. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Let's see the 18th one. In the 18th one, you also try it first. I think the most suitable one that I think should be the C part.
Yeah.
The C part,
Yeah.
isn't it? It's becoming the most suitable one. Why? Because if you put A, then again A, then B, and again B, and again B. So we can see that the starting series, it is 5 times A, and in the ending also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 times B. So it is a specific series, no? And then in the middle one, 2 times A and 2 times B, and followed by in between A and B. So not a very particular logic, but out of all the options, this is the most suitable one. So we'll keep this only as an answer. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Let's see the 19th one. 19th. Okay, getting?
Not that.
No? Just try. Try anyone. You can pick any option. Let's see if that's correct or not. So according to me, the most suitable one is that is coming should be C part. Let's try put it. So it's B, A, C, B, and C. So now see what is here in this. I'll write the just a minute. Huh? Yeah. See, it's like B, C, B, A, C, the first five. Just look at the first five alphabets. It's like B, C, B, A, C. These are the first five. If we see in group of five. Just a minute. How many total are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then B, C, B, A, C. Then 1A. Then again it's B, C, B, A, C. So see wherever we see repetition of a particular set, that means that is our answer.
Okay.
Because there is a repetition of this particular set, no?
Yeah.
Again, there is one A in between. And again from here, see it's B, C, B, A, C. And then again it's A. And again it's B. So that means the series would have been continued like this. B, C, B, A, C, like that. Isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Do you find anything wrong in this?
No.
Right? Hmm? So C will be our answer for this one. Okay. Why
Okay.
so? Because this particular set is being repeated. See this one, isn't it? This is same.
Yes.
So that is why this becomes our answer. Okay, then the last one of this type, 20th one. Let's see this one also. In this also we'll see if any set is repeating in itself. Just try. Okay, in the first option, do you find any particular pattern in the first option?
Yeah.
If you put it, yeah. Let me put it also. A N N So it is ANAN, then NNAN, ANNA, ANAN. Do you think it is repeating?
No.
No, 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 no. It's not repeating.
No.
Let's see the B option. AANAN. Let's see in this ANAN and ANA. See, if we take six letters together, then it is forming a pattern. If you take the first six, like one, two, three, four, five,
There is
six,
a pattern. There is a
isn't it?
pattern. Yes.
Yeah, it is a pattern. If we see one, two, three, four, five, six, two, three, four, five, six. So now, because there are total 18 alphabets here in this series, so if we divide them in a group of six, so these three groups are coming same. ANA, NNA. In this also ANA, NNA, ANA, NNA. All three groups are coming the same, right? Because there is a repetition. So which option will be correct? The B one.
B.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Chalo, the next. It's the same type of series now again. 21st question. Single series is there. It will not be that tough. Z is 426, then X 24, U 21, Q will be 17, L will be 12. Can you see the difference? Difference of how much is there? The
Uh,
first difference is of -2,
yes.
-3, then -4, then -5. So now it will be
-6, which is F.
minus. Yes, correct. -6 is the sixth part. Yes, correct, which will be F. So we have seen that the consecutive terms is increasing by, like the difference between the consecutive terms is increasing by 1. Difference is increasing by 1. Correct?
Yeah.
F will be the answer. Okay, then the 22nd one. X is 424, A is 1, D is 4, G is 7, J is 10. Let's see.
It increases by 3.
Okay, it increases by 3. Yeah, that's correct. 24 plus 3 is 1, then 4, then 7, then 10. Plus 3 will be 13, and the 13th letter we know that is
And
M, right?
yeah.
Very good. This one was easy. 24 now. Yes, what is the series going like?
Uh, it increases by 3, then 2, then 3, then 2,
Correct.
and then 3.
Correct. So answer will be, this is 1, so 1 plus 3,
3.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
D.
That means the fourth letter, that is
D.
B. Correct. Next one, 24th.
It increases, it
Yes.
increases by 11.
Very nice. Yes.
Okay.
And it is the same for both the series, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 1 plus 11 is 12. 12 plus 11 is 23. And then 23 plus 11 becomes 8. Yeah. So see,
Yeah.
with the help of these numerical values, it becomes quite easy to solve it. No, otherwise, if we
Yeah.
just look at the alphabets, then it would be difficult to make out that what is the logic, which is the
Yeah.
pattern we follow. Yeah, but with numbers, we can easily make out. Very good. So, which will be the next term, Carl? After HN, it will be 8 plus 14. So that means 8 plus 11 first we'll do.
It will be S and Y.
Yes. And 4 plus 11. Sorry, it is 14. Okay, okay, 25. That's correct. S and Y will be the answer. Very good. Correct. Next, 25th. Again, if I rewrite the values 1 and 6, E and G will be 5 and 10, I and N will be 9 and 14, O and T will be 15 and 20. Okay, see, in this one, in the series is going like, firstly, the difference is of 4, then
Yeah.
again 4, right? And then of 6.
6.
Yeah. And in this one also, first the difference is of 4, again 4, and then again 6. Okay, so now
Okay.
uh it is like, wait, let me write here, 4, 4 and 6. 4, 4 and 6. Now see, since it is not a like repetitive pattern, we can say, so we can't definitely tell that now what should be the difference, whether it should be 4 or whether it should be 6. So we can try something else also in this. What can we try in this? See, if we see these pairs, in all these pairs, we see the difference is of 5. Can you see? 6 minus 1 is also 5, 10 minus 5 is also 5, and in the other two also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we can see from the given options that we have, from the given options, what we can say, uh, that out of these options, in which one of these the difference between these two terms will be 5. This we can see.
Okay.
Like which of these options satisfy the given condition? Just check.
15 plus 5 and 25, 20 plus 25 is equal to
Uh,
20.
which one you are saying? Which option? Which option is satisfying the given condition? That is the difference between first and second alphabet of each term is 5.
U and Z.
Yes, that's correct. U and Z. So see if we can go by. It's not necessary that every time we have to see in this form only, like in series form only. It's not necessary, right?
Yeah,
Yes. So U and Z will be our answer. Correct?
yeah.
Okay. Next one, 26th. What is the difference coming between consecutive terms?
Difference of 4.
Yes, correct. 3, 9, 18 was there. Then it was 7, 13, and 22. So difference is of 4 in all the three terms, right?
Yeah.
Yes, correct. So by that it will be O plus 4, then U plus 4, and D plus 4. What will be the answer in that way?
SYH.
Correct. SYH will be the correct answer. C1. Very good. 27th. Got it?
Uh,
Okay, let's see. See the first series, it goes like 18, then
first
22.
one, yeah, first one is increasing by 4.
Yeah, correct. So it will be plus 4 for the first series, 26. Then again plus 4 will be 4.
Yeah,
That's correct. Then what about the, okay, leave the second series first. See the third one. Third one is easier because 12, then 10, then 8, then 6. So it is clear.
increasing by 2.
Yeah, yeah, decrease by 2. Plus 4 and minus 2. Now the second series, it goes like 13, then 9. So difference of 4,
Yeah,
30, yeah. Then 9 and 6, difference of 3,
yes,
right? Then 6 and 4, difference of 2.
yeah,
So see, we can see that the pattern in difference is also decreasing by 1,
yeah,
isn't it? Yeah,
yes,
4, 3, 2. So that means now the next one will be minus 1, correct? So
yes,
the answer will be, the first series was plus 4. That means 4 plus 4, that will be 8.
yeah, it is 8.
Second one, it will be 3. Yeah. And the third one was minus 2, right? Yeah, minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. Is that correct? Just have a look.
6 minus 6 minus 1?
6 minus 2 we have to do, no? For the third series, minus 2 was going in the third series. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. And then 6 minus 2, I've written here 4.
So A, C, D.
Yeah, correct. HCD will be the answer for this one. Correct. 28. I'll write the series 12, 18, and 24.
First letter decreases by 8.
By
8, 8.
8. Okay. Increases by 8, you're saying?
No, decreases.
Decreasing by 8. That's correct. Minus 8. Minus 8 it will be.
Yes,
Mm, 22 minus 8, we don't have 4, but 4 and 4. Yeah, sorry, that's correct. That's
okay,
correct. Because till 26 we have, no? Yeah.
yes.
And then again,
It decreases by 8.
yes. Yes. And then the second series,
It decreases by 8.
This also decrease of 8. Decrease of 8. Yes, very good. Decrease of 8. And the third one also the same? No, in the third,
Uh,
yeah.
yes,
Third one also the same, right? Decrease of
yeah.
8. 24, then 16, then 8, and then 26. Correct? So now what will be the answer?
F
Correct.
F
Fourth,
L F L R.
yes, very nice. FLR will be the correct answer. D1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Carl. So let's do one thing. Let's keep this much only till today. So we'll do one thing. Some more questions we'll cover of this type
Okay.
tomorrow also. Okay, and then because there are multiple questions in this, so we need not do all of them. A few more we'll practice, which I see something different of some different kind. All right, and then tomorrow itself I'll start with a new topic.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I hope you have no problem in this.
No.
Okay. Chalo, I'll see